Have you ever known exactly what you should do in a trade, but still made the wrong decision because of fear or greed? Have you ever exited too early because you were scared, or held a losing trade for too long, hoping it would come back? If your answer is yes, then this video could completely change the way you trade. Most people start trading with big dreams. They want financial freedom, consistent profits, and a better lifestyle. They spend hours learning technical analysis, chart patterns, indicators, and strategies. But when real money is on the line, something unexpected happens. The moment the market moves against them, fear takes over. When they make a profit, greed tells them to stay longer. After a loss, frustration pushes them into revenge trading. And before they realize it, they have repeated the same mistakes over and over again. The truth is simple. Trading is not just a technical game. It is a psychological game. In fact, most traders don't lose because their strategy is bad. They lose because they cannot control their emotions. And in this video, I'll show you the psychological techniques professional traders use to stay calm, disciplined, and consistently profitable. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share one powerful habit that can completely transform your trading journey. Let's begin. The first and biggest emotion every trader faces is fear. Fear appears the moment you enter a trade. The market moves slightly against you, and your mind immediately starts asking questions. What if it keeps falling? What if I lose all my money? What if this trade destroys my account? Because of these thoughts, many traders exit winning trades too early. Then they watch the market move exactly in the direction they originally predicted. The result? Regret. The solution is not becoming fearless. The solution is controlling your risk. Professional traders already know exactly how much they are willing to lose before entering any trade. If they risk only 1 or 2% of their capital, they stay emotionally stable because they know one losing trade cannot destroy them. Confidence doesn't come from winning. Confidence comes from having controlled risk. The second dangerous emotion is greed. Greed usually starts after a few successful trades. You make one profit. Then your mind whispers, maybe I can make a little more. Instead of following your trading plan, you keep holding. Or worse, you increase your position size without any valid reason. Unfortunately, the market doesn't care about your expectations. Many traders lose an entire day's profit simply because they wanted just a little more. Professional traders understand something beginners often ignore. You don't need to catch every single move. You only need consistent profits over time. That's why they always define their profit target before entering the trade. Once their target is reached, they exit without emotion. Discipline always beats greed. Now let's talk about one of the biggest account killers. Overtrading and revenge trading. Imagine this. You lose one trade. Instead of accepting the loss, you immediately open another position. Then another. Then another. You aren't trading anymore. You're gambling. You're trying to fight the market instead of following your strategy. This emotional cycle destroys thousands of trading accounts every single day. Professional traders do something completely different. If they lose 2 or 3 trades in a row, they stop. They take a break. They analyze what happened. They wait for the next high-quality opportunity. Remember this. The market will always be there tomorrow. Your capital may not. Now here's how professional traders build mental strength. First, they follow a daily routine. Before placing any trade, they analyze the market. They identify key support and resistance levels. They check risk to reward. They wait for confirmation. Only then do they execute the trade. There are no random entries. Everything follows a plan. Second, they practice meditation or mindfulness. Even 10 minutes of daily meditation helps reduce stress, improve focus, and control emotional reactions. A calm mind makes better trading decisions. Third, they keep a trading journal. After every trade, they write down why they entered, why they exited, what they did right, what they did wrong. Over time, this journal becomes one of the most valuable learning tools. It helps eliminate repeated mistakes and improves decision-making. Finally, let's talk about the habit that separates profitable traders from everyone else. Discipline. Successful traders don't rely on motivation. They rely on rules. For example, never risk more than 2% on a single trade. Never take more than 3 trades in one day. Always use a stop loss. Review every week's performance before starting the next one. Simple rules. Consistently followed. That's what creates long-term success. And here's the biggest mindset shift you need today. Stop treating trading like gambling. Treat it like a business. Every successful business owner manages risk, follows systems, tracks performance, and thinks long-term. Trading is no different. The traders who survive are not always the smartest. They are the most disciplined. So if you truly want to become consistently profitable, don't just master charts. Master your emotions. Control fear. Control greed. Avoid revenge trading. Follow your plan. Protect your capital. Because in the end, the biggest competition in trading isn't the market. It's the person staring back at you in the mirror. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what's your biggest challenge in trading, fear, greed, or overtrading. I'd love to answer your questions in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.